Welcome to the Insane Car Crash Compilation. Brace yourself for shocking crashes and close calls that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Buckle up, it's about to get wild. In the dark of night, a car suddenly lost control and crashed into the store, producing a terrifying sound that startled the entire neighborhood. Suddenly, the truck carrying goods fell onto the road, crushing the surrounding vehicles. The neighborhood's cameras captured the harrowing moment at night when a car sped through, crashing down the fence of a home, resulting in a tragic accident that no one anticipated. The car speeding in the rain crashed into the median. Amidst the heavy snowfall, a car reversing was suddenly struck by another vehicle speeding down the slope, resulting in a dramatic accident. The car sped around the corner at high velocity, causing the driver to lose control and crash violently into the roadside barrier.
Mira, Carlos, mira. ¿Lo has visto, Martín? Eso es lo que le pasó a mi hijo. Eso es lo que le pasó.
The vehicle behind lost control and crashed directly into the rear of the car in front, resulting in a powerful collision. The truck drove under the bridge, but the low clearance made it impossible for the vehicle to pass, forcing the driver to stop in confusion. With the snow still falling, the car attempting to overtake another suddenly lost control, creating a perilous situation. The sand truck blocked the road, disrupting traffic, and unfortunately another vehicle crashed into it, resulting in an unfortunate collision. In the midst of a snowstorm, the container truck failed to slow down for the turn and crashed straight into a residence house, creating a terrifying scene. The car lost control, crashing directly into the roundabout and unexpectedly soaring into the air, creating a dazzling spectacle of sparks flying everywhere. The truck signaled to merge right, but it seemed the driver lost control and crashed straight into the black car, resulting in an unexpected collision. The rainy weather made the road slippery, causing the driver to lose control of the vehicle, leading to an accident. In poor weather conditions, we should slow down and drive more cautiously to ensure safety. A car suddenly lost control and crashed violently into another vehicle, making a turn at the intersection, creating a horrifying collision that left onlookers in shock. The driver ran a red light and was hit by a truck. Obeying traffic signals is crucial, as a single moment of carelessness can lead to serious accidents or even cost lives. The car suddenly lost control at the intersection, triggering a multi-vehicle accident that created chaos and prompted the police to arrive swiftly to investigate. In the winter, the snow-covered slippery roads caused the driver to lose control of their speed, veering off the overpass and falling below. Driving on snowy roads requires caution and adjusting speed to prevent such serious accidents. Two cars sped through a red light, resulting in a horrific crash that drew every gaze to the scene of the accident. The truck driver was unaware of the safe height clearance of his vehicle and collided while passing under a bridge. Knowing the dimensions of the vehicle is essential to avoid accidents caused by low clearance obstacles. The truck driver was unaware of the safe height clearance of his vehicle and collided while passing under a bridge. Knowing the dimensions of the vehicle is essential to avoid accidents caused by low clearance obstacles.